Well, we're on lesson 12, exercise 12. In fact, it's exercise 12, 13 and 14 here, because the rhythm, or the little passage that we're speaking about, it's quite complicated to describe, but to play it's not actually that hard. Now I've given some quite detailed instructions on the page for you to sort of work your way through, and I would say that it's very important that you do understand what I've written and understand how to go about it, because you will meet all of these rhythms many times, and until you've sorted it out in your own brain and worked out exactly how it works, when you get a new piece or something that's containing these rhythms, you have to be able to work it out slowly to start with. Eventually you'll just do it automatically. Now let's have a look at exercise 12, and we've got two quavers on the first beat of the bar, do-ba. On the second beat it starts with a quaver rest and then a quaver. So the do is silent, so it goes do-ba, which immediately goes into the third beat where we've got a quaver followed by a quaver rest. Now that first quaver obviously is the do, that's the longer one, do-ba, followed on the fourth beat by do-ba. Now if I say that slowly, it goes do-ba, ba-do, do-ba, do-ba, ba-do, do-ba. And it sounds like this. I must say it's much easier to play it than to say it. Now, what we're doing is we're using that rhythm, but if you have a look at exercise 13, you will see that the middle two quavers have been joined together. Now, this is not normal. You wouldn't see this written in straight writing, but it's quite normal in a jazz context where you have two quavers joined together across the middle of the bar. Now it's important to remember that that is across the middle of the bar between the second and third beats of the bar. They would normally appear as two separate quavers, but in swing style, more often than not, you'll see it written like this. That's the same rhythm as the one written in exercise 12, except the middle two quavers are slurred. Now I'm quite sure if you've listened to quite a lot of jazz, you'll have heard that rhythm before. Now all of that comes out of the piece Swing Through. So I'll just play the first little section of that where that appears 4 times.